Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. Today we're going to talk about the most important things when you're riding your motorcycle in the rain. If you enjoy my videos so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free and would be massively appreciated. Number 1. Make yourself visible for others. You need to ride your motorcycle with the mindset that every other vehicle is out there to get you and they can't even see you. The rain certainly hinders visibility, so you need to make sure you're doing extra checks ahead of time at junctions, roundabouts, etc. For some people this may mean wearing high-vis vests, others might opt for a white helmet or put reflectors on their bike. Whatever you're comfortable with doing to increase your visibility, if you're riding in the wet regularly, this is when these things will benefit you most. Number 2. Be aware of how rain affects the road. When the roads are wet, there are increased hazards. By being aware of these, you can avoid them and ride safely. Painted lines get increasingly slippy. If you can avoid these, then do so. If not, slow down and ride smoothly over them. Avoid braking where possible on any painted surfaces. Increase your braking distance so you can brake slow and steady. Use a light hand on your front brake. You will brake slower than usual, but you can compensate for this by increasing your braking distance. If the weather takes a worse turn and there's lightning, you should take cover immediately. Water conducts electricity, you will be wet and your bike will be wet too, and the rubber tires won't protect you, so you get off the road and let the storm pass. Number 3. Wear appropriate riding gear. The proper riding kit in the rain can make the difference between a fun ride and a miserable one. Fortunately, I rode 3 entire days in heavy rain at my tour through Italy, which I will link you in the top right corner. I can recommend some of the best waterproof gear currently available. So here's what you need if you regularly ride in poor weather. Waterproof jackets, waterproof trousers, waterproof boots, and waterproof gloves. You can find a really good waterproof kit for all budgets and circumstances. One thing to be aware of is that the best option for wet weather riding is Gore-Tex lined kit. From gloves to boots, Gore-Tex is guaranteed to keep you dry and let you breathe at the same time. Ruka makes some of the best all-weather Gore-Tex gear. They're at the high end of the price range, so may not be for everyone. However, for all motorcycle riders, gear from Ruka should be considered as an investment. This stuff will keep you dry and protected in all weather and will last you for several years. Because Ruka wasn't the best choice for me, I chose the Speedy 4 Seasons suit. You could also consider motorcycle rain suits. There are 1- and 2-piece suits available. They're ideal for throwing over your regular riding gear as a waterproof layer. They pack down pretty small and they're easy to stow in your top box, ready for when you need them. This is a good option if you don't plan to ride in the rain but get caught on occasion. Number 4. Prepare your helmet. Your best bet in the rain is to wear a full-face helmet or a modular helmet. Not only do these offer more protection in an accident than an open-face helmet, but they can also keep the rain from getting your head and face wet. There are of course a few problems that can pop up when you're riding with a helmet in the rain. In the rain, your visor is more prone to fog up and block your vision. However, many helmets now come with a pin-lock compatible visor, which is the best way to prevent this issue. I did a whole episode about how to avoid the helmet of steaming up, which is linked right now in the top corner. Number 5. Waterproof your luggage. If you're carrying stuff around with you, remember you need a waterproof luggage system. The last thing you want is for your work laptop to get wet. You can get a waterproof backpack that will do this job well. Hard luggage with waterproof liners is a nice to have, but also black bin liners can do the job as well. That was it for today. I hope I'll see you again next Sunday. Stay safe, ride your ride.